Guru College is
a co-educational institute located in Coimbatore on the Palakkad Road near Ettimadai at the border of Kerala and Tamil Nadu state. This is a leading educational and research institute affiliated to Bharatiyar University, Coimbatore. It offers several UG and PG courses under the discipline of arts, science and social studies. It also offers MPhil and PhD programs in several courses. The institute started its educational service to the society in 1994 and completed its silver jubilee year and progressing its 26th year of academic excellence. The institution is run by Sri Narayana Guru Educational Trust SNGET located at Sai Baba Colony, Coimbatore. The management office bearers are Sri N. Prabhakaran, Chairman, Sri P.M. Vasu, Secretary, Srimati Sailaja Venu, Vice Chairperson, Srimati Vijina Premnath, Joint Secretary, Sri P.A. Rajkumar, Treasurer.
Dr. M. Ilangovan, the Principal, Sri Narayana Guru College, Coimbatore. He is the guiding star for us. He was the former HOD of the Department of Biochemistry. He encourages, supports and guides us on all our endeavors.
The department offers BSc Biochemistry, MSc Biochemistry, MPhil Biochemistry and PhD Biochemistry. Along with that, the department takes value-added courses, that is VAC, like nanobiotechnology, food and nutrition, clinical lab technology, computer-aided drug design and mushroom cultivation. The highlights of the department are well-equipped laboratories, ideal research environment, remarkable placements, industrial and educational visits regularly. It takes gold medal and university ranks and 100% results.
The faculties of the department are Dr. K. Narayanaswamy, Associate Professor and Head. He has got 22 years of teaching experience. He is guiding a PhD scholar. His area of specialization, cancer biology and medicinal plants. Dr. N. Nirmala Devi, Associate Professor. She is having 15 years of teaching experience. She is guiding a PhD scholar. Her area of specialization, plant biochemistry. Dr. Radhi M.A., Assistant Professor, having 9 years of teaching experience. She is guiding a PhD scholar. Her area of specialization, cancer biology and medicinal plants. Dr. N. Sudarmani Gayatri, Assistant Professor, having 4 years of teaching experience and the area of specialization, clinical toxicology and plant therapeutics. Mr. S. Vinu Chakravarti, Assistant Professor of Chemistry. He is having 10 years of teaching experience and his area of specialization, organic chemistry. Miss Ashley George, Assistant Professor. She is having 2 years of experience. Her area of specialization, cancer biology. 7 days alumni webinar series organized by the Department of Biochemistry. Day 3, 18th June 2020, a lecture on improvement of immunity with organic materials. The resource person of the day, Ms. G. Sujita, Assistant Professor, Department of Biochemistry, Nehru Arts and Science College, Coimbatore.
Please reply in chat box whether are you concentrating on your immunity and health. Please reply yes or no. Okay, are you intaking only healthy materials? Please reply. Today we are going to learn about or understanding about improvement of immunity with organic materials. So I would like to explain with my reality. I have learned from many people what they learned in their in their past. So initially, I'm going to talk about turmeric. We all know about turmeric. It's an anti-inflammatory and antiseptic, and we know this is an antibacterial effect. It's used from past ancestors. They used to utilize for many purpose. It's used in cooking mainly for flavoring and aroma. So we prepare mainly for only the smell and taste. We never concentrate in how much quantity of nutrients we get. When we intake this turmeric powder, we get 2 milligram of iron. It's a main thing when we compare with dates. So dates means we need to intake 1 cup of dates we intake, we'll get only 5.3 milligram. If we intake 1 teaspoon of turmeric, we'll get 3 gram of iron. So you will need to intake more turmeric in your future. It is this turmeric comes under, it is much rich in iron. About iron, can you hear? Can you hear?
Yes,
Hello?
yes, you can proceed, Sujita.
Okay, sir. So we need to intake much more turmeric when we compare with dates. So dates are we get from foreign countries, and we, in the case of turmeric, we naturally we get from Indian itself. Turmeric is essential for your body to reduce number of diseases like chickenpox, urinary tract infection, skin disease, and diabetes. So these are the different diseases can be cured by turmeric. Not only that, in ancestor they used to utilize for skin diseases. When you have any infection, they used to apply this turmeric powder. Not only that, even for bathing we use turmeric powder. Even in ancestor days they used to use like a thali with that with the stick, so that will help you to cure number of diseases like breast cancer. That's why they have followed to you number of materials. So please try to utilize turmeric. We can reduce number of diseases. Next we need to learn about citrus fruits. So we know what is fruits. Fruits gives more energy and more vitamins and minerals. Even though we are not much concentrating in that fruits, when you intake fruits, it should be high quantity. If you intake more quantity, you will get much fiber. That fiber will help you to regularize your body. You will not have any constipation problem, and you can maintain your youngness, and you can have healthy family, healthy life. So you need to intake more quantity to maintain your age. Not only that, we can able to reduce number of diseases like heart disease, cancer, inflammation, as well as diabetes. But in the case of citrus, it is highly acidic, so we should not intake in empty stomach. That's the main thing. When we intake in empty stomach, it will affect ulcer. Possible to have ulcer. So we can intake other fruits before intaking citrus fruits. And I want to tell you one thing. Fruits, when we compare with other products, it is very cool in condition. So we need to intake only in morning and afternoon. We should not intake after sunset, because automatically your immunity power will decreases when you intake at evening. Please try to intake only in morning and afternoon. These stages we can intake. If we intake morning, automatically your immunity power will increases. When we intake evening, automatically you will have weakening your immunity power. This was really happening in our family, not only in neighboring. That's why I'm suggesting you to intake only in morning. That will help you to boost your immunity. Try to intake at morning condition itself. And I want to tell you one more thing before going even. Mustard we normally use for cooking. So when we cook, we used to add an oil, we leave for fry. We need to make them burst. If it is burst, automatically you will get mustard oil in our food. That oil will help you to reduce joint pains. It was happening along with my colleagues. She asked me a doubt. She used to intake mustard fry. For it, she ate for continuously for 1 week, and she asked me a doubt why I'm intaking fried mustard alone. And then I told her, try to intake mustard oil for 10 days and come back to me, and I will suggest if you don't have any effects. Then she came back to me, and after 10 days, she told me that she feel better, and now she don't have any temptation to intake mustard. From this, they understood she felt much joint pains before she intaking mustard. So after intaking continuously, she doesn't have any problem in joints. It's actually really happened. So that's a reason we should understand that our body itself tempted us to intake deficient material. Please understand this. Whenever we see materials that we should intake, sometimes we feel tempted, that should be intake by us. It means that our deficient things will be made us to tempt it. Please, if you feel tempted, try to intake that. So mustard prevent cancer. Even you'll have digestive problem that will be cured. And even if you have a heart problem, that can be cured. Even bones and teeth will be strong. If you intake mustard oil and if you applied mustard oil, automatically your skin get softness and roughness will be reduced. Not only that, even you can use mustard oil in your hair, that gives you shining more, and your head gets warm because of heat. So daily if you intake 1 teaspoon of mustard, you will get 3 calories. It contains carbohydrate, protein, fat and fiber. So next we learn about ginger. So you heard about mustard as well as fruits and turmeric. What do you understand from this? So we have learned something about fruits, mustard as well as turmeric powder. What do you feel about that? Whether we need to concentrate on herbal items or we need to concentrate in chemicals. Thank you, Achyutan sir. Actually, we need to concentrate in mainly in herbal. That's why I'm talking about this, because nowadays we are concentrating only in chemicals. From head to toe, we are using chemicals. From head, we use more shampoo and different items. Even for eyelash and face pack, we are using variety of chemicals. So we need to avoid these kind of materials. That's why I prefer to speak about this. And we need to understand what is organic material, and if we intake what kind of healthness or improving our immunity, we can easily understand. So we know what is ginger. Ginger mainly used for digestion. If we have any digestive or stomach upset, we used to intake ginger juice. Even we can mix it with lemon, because it both are acidic in nature. So we can have it in a juice form, or even you can intake a piece of ginger as such. If we intake that, we can have a digestion will be solved. Not only that, when you have nausea or vomiting sensation, we can bite it up a small piece. Or if you have any diabetes or migraine, every problem will be solved by help of ginger. Even it will reduce your weight and you will have very deep sleep. So we need to intake 3 to 4 gram of ginger every day. If it is intake, your health will be strong. Actually, one more point I have to tell you. Our mom used to say that we need to intake 3 materials daily. Morning ginger, afternoon kadka, and night chuk. If we intake for 48 days, we'll become like a younger and stronger. So that if it is maintained for 48 days, you will be much younger and much healthier. This is the main reason our olden peoples used to say that kuchu pudikiravan polum youth மாறிடுவான்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. And next one is garlic. If we intake garlic in an empty stomach, you will have acidic problem. So it's an onion variety, and it is a good antioxidant. We don't like smell of this material, or so we need to intake in the form of pickle, or we can make it in a soup. So if we intake these material, it will help you to reduce your cholesterol level. If you reduce cholesterol, automatically your heart will work healthy. And even if you intake more garlic, your blood pressure will reduce. Not only that, even your cold will be reduced normally. So this garlic, if you intake it raw, that is better than making pickle. Even different diseases like Alzheimer's can be cured. We should intake daily 2 to 3 pieces in a raw material that will maintain our healthy life. Not only that, it contains many nutritious material like manganese, vitamin, fiber, calcium, copper, so potassium and phosphorus. So these are the materials which will help you to maintain your healthy. Now here we have sulfur component also. Because of the sulfur component, we can use it in your hair also. That will help you to have straight hair and even shining. And it help you to reduce dandruff in your head. And next one is called honey. We all know what is honey. Honey is utilized mainly for making juices. So you can easily understand honey gives energy. Instead of sugar, we can use honey. When you're making juice with lemon juice or even ginger juice, you can mix it with honey. The honey is good for your health, and even it gives you antioxidant. This honey we can even apply in your face. That will make your skin softer, and and your skin wrinkles will be reduced. And not only that, it has antibacterial and antifungal property. Even if we have wound, we can able to apply on wound. It will cure within 2 days. So if you have even digestive problem, we can intake this honey and your digestion will be solved. Honey is mainly used for maintaining your slim body. So normally we used to intake with boiled water or warm water. If we warm slight water, we mix with honey and we need to intake. If we intake this, automatically we can reduce your weight. These are the topics I have covered in today. Thank you.
So thank you, Sujita, for your informative session. It was wonderful. So I thank all the participants for joining this session. And on behalf of our college and the principal, I thank each and every one of you who have joined here today in this afternoon session. Thank you, one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And thank Dr. Ilangovan, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.